In this video, I will tell you how you can verify your Binance account after creating your new Binance account. So if you have created your new account on Binance and when you logged in, this is the display in front of you. Now at the top left side, you can see a yellow option, yellow icon. Click on this yellow icon. When you click on this yellow option, now this is your ID at the top. Just click on your ID, and now here you click on this verification option. You can see unverified. Click on this verification option. Now here click on get started. When you click on get started, now first of all select your country. If you are in Pakistan, select Pakistan, or if you are in other country, select other country, and just simply click on continue. Now here just write your legal name. Your legal name means the name on your ID card. Your legal name, and just simply click on continue. Now here write your legal address which is on your ID card or on your bank statement. Now after writing your address, click on continue, and now here just upload your documents. You can upload national ID card, passport, so our driving license. So just click on ID card, then upload your front and back side of your ID card, and when you will click on continue, you will see this document uploaded. Now just simply click on continue, and now it will ask you to verify your face. Now just look up in camera and verify your face, and just simply click on continue, and now you will see your verification has been completed. So these are two verifications: your document verification and your face verification, and after this your account will be verified.